Hello readers. Welcome to Insurance Times Newsdesk. Insurance Times is a leading monthly journal on insurance in India. I would bring you the latest insurance news every month to keep you updated about latest developments in insurance industry in India. Headlines of the month are: IRDA revises norms for training of insurance agents, brokers and other intermediary. The new regulation will be effective from 1st October 2016. Future generally eyes 30% growth in rural, micro-insurance business. Insurers may have to lower agent commission for certain products. Insurers may soon have to lower commissions to insurance agents in certain product categories, such as participating products, even as they are faced with high agent attrition. Insurance schemes under the Pradhan Mantri Jan Zorak Yojana will not see any premium increase this financial year. While pure term insurance and personal accident policies under the scheme have seen claims being reported and paid, the price of the cover has not been revised upwards. United India Insurance has received a claim from the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry for the damage caused by a massive fire to its building in the national capital. The iconic National Museum of Natural History, which was housed in the FISI building, was destroyed. Global general insurance prices are on the decline, benefiting Indian companies with huge insurable assets. According to insurance sources, global general insurance prices have come down by 15 to 20% as claims have been lower and global reinsurance market is flooded with abundant capital. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India has ordered Universal Sompo General Insurance Company's Managing Director Torsi Nagelkar to step down immediately due to his foreign origin. The insurance regulator has warned life companies against over-dependence on banks for selling policies. Banks are now the dominant mode for distributing policies of private insurers, and the share of individual agents, which is the core agency force of the insurance industry, has declined. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, IRDA, will make certain changes to its guidelines for facilitating insurance companies to go public, according to a top official. Insurers at present has to take the authority's permission for selling more than 1% of equity. This stipulation has to be changed when they plan to make an IPO, according to T.S. Vijayan, Chairman, IRDA. IRDA has said it will take a call within 4 months on granting licenses to 4 reinsurance companies which have sought approval to start operations in the country. Swiss Re, Lloyd's, Munich Re and Hanover have approached the Insurance Development and Regulatory Authority of India for licenses to open offices in the country, Chairman T.S. Vijayan said. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India has granted special approval to 23 cross-border reinsurers, CBR, for the year 2016-17. This will allow Indian insurers to make reinsurance placements with a large number of reinsurers. Cross-border reinsurers are those who do not have a physical presence in India but carry on reinsurance business with Indian insurance companies. LIC is aiming to double its business in terms of new policy issuance to 4 crore in the current fiscal and will hire 2 lakh new agents to augment its field strength. Life Insurance Corporation currently has an agency force of over 10 lakh. Life insurers reported a growth of 22.6% in first-year premium collection for the period ended March 2016 as compared to same period last year, shows data released by IRDA. LIC continues to be the leader with 77% of total market share as per IRDA data. LIC issued more than 2 crore new policies as against 62 lakh policies issued by private insurers for the period ended March 2016. The US-based global health service leader Cigna Corporation has initiated the process of increasing its stake in Cigna TTK Health Insurance. Cigna TTK, a top official of the Indian joint venture, said. Cigna is committed to increasing its stake to 49% from 26% now. The process has started, Sandeep Patel, CEO and Managing Director, Cigna TTK, told. As per the latest data, there are only 18% of people in urban areas of the country are covered under any kind of health insurance scheme, the government has said. The overarching health protection scheme to provide an insurance cover of 1 rupee lakh per family, announced by Finance Minister Arun Jaitley, may also include employees' state insurance medical scheme, official sources said. We are planning to expand the reach of the health protection scheme and develop it into an overarching scheme. Since S is a parallel scheme run by the centre and already have a large user base, we are trying to work out a plan wherein it can be merged, a senior official told. The Indian life insurance industry has begun to recover and is likely to report 12 to 15% growth in financial year 2016-17, according to an ICRA paper analyzing the performance of 9 life insurance companies in India, 1 in the public sector and 8 in the private sector. The life insurance sector is facing the challenge of agents leaving the profession. Data from the Life Insurance Council show companies lost 51,278 agents in 2015-16. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, in an exposure draft on remuneration for insurance agents and intermediaries, has proposed higher commission for agents in the first year as also subsequent years to incentivize these distributors. Munich Reinsurance Company reported a profit of €436 million for the first quarter of 2016, down 44.8% from the comparable period last year due to weaker investment results and a loss in its primary insurance unit, Ergo Insurance Group. Swiss Re's latest Sigma study looks at 21 frontier markets such as Nigeria, Ecuador, Vietnam and Azerbaijan, which provides an outlook for premium growth and an overview of the economic fundamentals which will lead to increased demand for insurance in these countries. The report also looks at the individual features of each market, covering topics such as impending regulatory changes and the influence of external factors such as regional trade agreements. This is all we have from Insurance Times News Desk. I shall come back again in next edition of Insurance Times Online News Desk. Goodbye.